And here though. What's up? Yeah. We about to do this 2017 Community Investment Challenge. That's what I want to do because I've been working on the stock market. I feel like putting on my glasses. Stock market, learning the stock market, and a couple of people been interested talking about, man, what's up? Show me that, show me that. But I ain't can't. We can learn together though. So what we gonna do? What we stock market? Hold on. What the hell? They gotta kill that. So what we're gonna do, let me make sure I ain't getting that feedback so that everything be right. I think I got my YouTube open. Yeah. So I gotta be able to hear people if they say something. What we gonna do is though, we gonna all invest, but counts. That's what we was talking about. Everybody put $500 in the individual brokerage. Hopefully it's individual. Just take $500, put it in there, and between February, I think it might take us 2-3 months. 3 months to really, really make some progress. We're gonna invest together. And that's what we've been talking about doing. I want to talk about that now. Let me see. Hold up. I want to share my screen so we can see how it's been popping. I know how I sound. I might sound nice. Let me change this. I need to be able to. Whoa. Hello? Hey, what's up? I'm around the corner about to do a live stream. What's going on? Pardon me? I'm going to talk to you in a minute. I'm on live right now. If you need something, let me know. If not, I'm about to try to. All right. No, I don't know. I'm going to talk to you in a minute. All right, bye. Oh, yeah, I don't know. I wanted to be able to get, I caught wind of some people who how to day trade online. And these dudes is making paper. I need to turn off this heater. Give me 1 second. These dudes making paper though. Y'all go look them up. Because me and a couple of my homies caught wind of them. They on YouTube telling you how to, they basically telling you how to trade. They want you little trading clubs and everything. And it would be possibly profitable to do so because that's where I got the challenge from. A person named Timothy Sykes. You could go look at his YouTube, go look on his Twitter. Go look at his Twitter right now. We can look, it's going to be a gang of people telling him what they made today off the stock market and his challenge using his strategy. And I've been picking up on some of them strategies. And, this is the type of information we need to share with each other. I do believe liberation to be a real thing. I believe in financial freedom. I believe you can want to go or do whatever you want to do today, but can't fund what you want to do, then you can't do it. So you still not really free, so to speak. And we all need some financial liberation. Stock market, I heard Dr. Boyce Watkins. I was like, is Dr. Boyce following my page? Because as soon as we all start talking about the stock market at the same time. Really is because with the legalization of marijuana, a few people start thinking, okay, it's about to be a good time to invest that might be about to blow up off the, come up off of this. And so we've been go into my computer and see if I can show y'all some of the stuff. Some of the stuff I'm talking about, if I can share my screen. Yep, and I'm about to get on YouTube. I don't give a damn. Why not? Shit. You feel me? know so much about what's going on. I just can't focus on all that drama in the community. It's Madjai Archers and it's about economics. Cats really think Madjai was all about war, but it all started over economics with Egypt over Egyptians coming into an area called Hot Noob. Let me share and see if y'all can see what I'm saying. Egyptians coming into an area called Hot Noob, and in Hot Noob, steal all the gold from Nubians. Now I mean, come on, I'm just like this. With stock trading, it's different. You got to have a little bit of humility, ego. You're gonna lose if you got an ego. If you don't know when you're wrong, straight up, you're gonna lose. It's good to follow trends in that's not like real life. You ain't supposed to be following trends. You're not really supposed to follow nobody in real life. But in the stock market, you want to follow who making money. If not, and so I'm just showing you this dude. His name is Timothy Sykes, but I'm just on his Twitter looking to see if I can see any thought. No, this ain't how I do it. I'm supposed to go to, I don't know how to work Twitter that good. Oh, but his mentions or something. People. And then you see all the people getting back at him, thanking him for his advice or whatever. I don't want to waste too many people's time here, but the point was there are people out here disseminating information. And I mean, even because is one of them telling cats how to get into the stock market, what we need to do. And I jumped in like, I think it was October. I'll share some of my trades. I've been sharing them publicly on Facebook. I've been a follower. I've been following what Timothy faithfully, and I don't want to act like I've been just doing nothing good or like I even know what I'm doing. I'm actually want to put together the challenge so that we can all learn together. But it's something positive. I ain't got no benefit from you getting into a challenge, opening up your own brokerage account and starting to grow that account by us trading. Don't get no benefit from that. I just know that if we all learned how to develop this new income stream, which is out here in the strive, I don't think people know the market is about to break record numbers. It's about to be trading at 20,000. The Dow almost at 20,000 ever. So that means there's so much money running through it. I mean, the market is just up, up, up. And so now is a good time for us to get into it. But let me go to my Facebook because I want to show y'all something. And I wish I probably need to look at this so I can see if anybody said anything in the chat. Oh, what's up? Oh, yes, sir. Right, there you go. Yeah, it's all good. Yeah, MST Atlanta, you know, let me get this shit started. You know how we do. Where we at though? I want to look at one particular trade that we just was looking over the other day. A hypothetical trade I page that I wish my Robinhood account was up and running because I would have probably took that trade. Now I probably wouldn't have because I thought I was doing what we call chasing the stock on some day trading stuff. You wake up at 6:30 where I'm at, and the bell ring and a stock already been running, and the premium don't really know why it's running, and you just try to hop on that thing, then it turn around and crash on your ass. You get, I mean, a few times, but right now I'm trying to show what's been happening the last few days with ETRM, which is called a stock ticker, or that's the symbol that you would place in the ticker, so that you will see how that stock is moving. ETRM was doing numbers the other day. It jumped up like $8 in one day. Dang. But I'm on this now. Y'all gotta never mind me on this, you know, on the coach, and I'm using Wi-Fi on my computer going hella slow. So it's hard to die. But yeah, we're gonna set that off in February. February 1st. If you and I'm about to try to get in touch with Watkins, but he got his financial school teaching how to trade stocks going on right now. But he got like an enrollment fee for like $80, which is very much worth it. I recommend that'll be a place to pick up some good information. But if I could share my screen, that's how I'll be finding the morning winners. If I could ever, excuse this slow ass computer. Damn. It's because it's about, if you could be wise, if you could let go of your ego, if you can admit you're wrong, then you can make some, if you study, if you can be a studying is the number one key on the stock market. I'm telling you, I ain't been doing nothing but trading for a month. I'm not the one to tell you. Don't act like I'm talking from an expert standpoint. I'm just that dude who let good things flow through him and try to give them out to other people and be generous. Because what I'm experiencing through this information has been hella good. And so, and then I've been putting all my stuff publicly. That's not being with Timothy Sykes or any of these traders who are trying to prove, they're trying to show that what they're saying is not. You put your trades out there, you can lose and so what? You lost a couple dollars, you're gonna get it back the next day. One good trade beat 20 bad ones. I mean, if you know what you're doing. But I'm trying to look. Excuse me. Because ETRM, I'm telling you, we noticed didn't start talking about it. We got a slow chat room. So what they do is they get together, they put together watch lists, you know what I'm saying, and they start noticing when stocks are gapping up. Dang, I won't even be able to show none of this. So I'm just gonna go back to my screen. Y'all can see all my information. Stop and pause on there. It's gonna be all good. 100, you know what I'm saying? But let me see. Stop. Yeah. Y'all can hear me clear. You shouldn't invest in stock market unless you're willing to hold the stock for 10 years. Oh, hell no. Who told you that? I could go through my stuff right now and show you. Me making 1,500 in like 4 minutes. Me making I had a couple good days. One of my best, I'm brand new. One of my best days was like a $2,500 day. You know what I'm saying? But still, that situation was more like some long term. I don't know, but Malik, I'm not. I would. Now, during our challenge, we're gonna have different strategies. People will employ different strategies. Let me just sit down. This slow moving. I'm gonna have to do this from the house. You know, people gonna do different strategies and do different things, but what I normally do is I use a site called Finviz. I was gonna show y'all because I got an elite account at Finviz. Let me see. FINZ. And it'll show you how to find the stocks right at the bell that's gapping up. And so you got in order to notice them before notice them, you get in and find a good entry point, and everybody noticed that hype in the first 10 minutes, the price start rising. You get out of there before it start back falling. That's just buying the morning gap up, and it seems to work. There's some dudes on YouTube that don't do nothing but buy the morning gap up, and they get it. He be like, oh, 50,000, oh, 12,000. Now you might not be right, but me, I can't afford to lose. So I'm hard on my stop losses. I'm very hard on my stop losses. And you can simply trigger a stop loss in there that says if it goes down to this price, I'm stopping out. I'm stopping out because I can't keep up with it. I keep trying to go back. Now, I use a app called Stash. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I use an app called Stash, and the way that Stash is not sophisticated investors, kind of like for people who just don't really know too much. And inside the Stash, I'm rolling with Buffett. I got Clean Green, I got Young Money, I got Rolling with Buffett. All y'all got to do is download Stash to your phone, and you can even look. I think you can look through it with account investment, but Stash is pretty cool. I'm also like, let's talk about different brokers. TDameritrade for 90 days without paying, no commissions. They got a good platform. You trade 90 days with no commissions. That means you could go through the without paying no commissions. You can use Robinhood. I've been trying to set up for Robinhood. Robinhood is only mobile. So right there, you more than somebody who's sitting at the house on broadband. Imagine you on the mobile, you press execute. I'm at the house, I press execute. I probably go through quicker because you gotta, I mean, it might be like spinning. But Robinhood, I've been trying to get account verified at Robinhood like 10 days. And I don't know what's going on. I like Etrade. You pay commissions at Etrade. They won't like either $9 or $7.99, but they got such a good platform. It make you speed is key in day. And I'm not promoting that nobody day trade. Day trading, just like Dr. Boy said, day trading is hectic. You know what I'm saying? You can't have no high blood pressure to be trying to day trade. It'll be like a roller coaster. But you know what I'm saying? So let me see if I can get to this one ETRM trade and we can discuss how this went down. And I put it on my my page because we want to talk about things while they're happening in real life to either learn or display our knowledge or to, you see what I'm saying? To be corrected. Oh, here it is, finally. I mean, I could have went to different places to show y'all this, but since I had it all on my Facebook, let me share my. If somebody hop in the hangout, man, you know I'm just chilling. Shit. See, I'm just going on my Facebook. All right, so this is a hypothetical trade I put up on just to discuss how the market works, because I've been learning and I learn in public. If you go back to see, you could go back 8 years ago or whatever, look and see my metal netter I was posting on there. I was just learning in public. I wasn't trying to act like no big shot. I really think my children and my daughters to be able to go back and look at my progress in life on these platforms we got. Let me go back to when I first noticed it. And this is like gonna be early in the morning, as you're gonna see. If y'all can see all this, yeah, y'all can see it. Hella early, dude. This shit was crazy. So I noticed it at about $15 on my page, and I asked somebody who got this. I guess I can't see it. Forget it. I'm gonna go back up. I noticed it at about $15, but that was late. It had jumped up like $8 in that day. And so I wanted to give an illustration of what we call a bad risk and what chasing the stock is. And so I did it just like this. This is how the stock market works. This stock ETRM is running fast. It's at 17 financial advisor. But let's say we took a bad risk. Remember that. Because if you catch a stock running like this on a day trade and at this like $8 up, that's late. In the same day, it went up 8 bones. Come on, dude. That's late. You see right here where it say 841 up. So you ain't sharp. This was at 859, I guess, when I noticed it. And so it's been open for what 3 hours from where I'm at, or 6, 7. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? So I was leaking. It was running up and I was looking at other stocks. I said we buy. I said let's take a bad risk on a running stock and chase it. We was just gonna chase it just to see. You buy 100 shares at 1760 at 9:04 a.m. Let's see what happens to our money. Now this is just this is a hypothetical purchase. It went up. We start tripping off of it. It went up in the next look. It just dipped in the. So it went down. That's when it dipped. But if you look at all these 5 minutes is when you normally gonna exit a day trade. A lot of people don't be in day trades more than 10 minutes. Ask somebody. But still running, so we just hypothetically making money off this trade. It went up to 17.95. So it did a few things, but I wasn't since I wasn't watching it like you would watch a real day trade, and I let it go. Oh, that thing went up to like look what it went to 18 bones, and then that mug it straight went up to like $28 in the same day. And so that 1760 has turned to like 2800 overnight. You know what I'm saying? And all being able to identify the stock early. We chased it. We shouldn't have chased it. We didn't identify it early. But what we're gonna learn together and from all of these wise stock traders that's out here giving out information, all you got to do is join their group. What we're gonna do is learn how to raise. Hold on, let me see real quick. So let me show you. This is what everybody be wondering. In the morning, how do you find stocks to trade? I'm gonna have 15 minutes a week. I love y'all right now for watching and supporting though. Let me see. I'm gonna show you how we find these stocks to trade. Finviz. Damn, why everything I do search is popping up on Twitter? All right, hold up. Let me go see if somebody got something to say. Oh, I thought I had one. Oh well, I'm puzzled. Puzzled me. Hold on. All right, so this Finviz, I use Finviz. The reason why you want an elite account, it costs money. And if we do the challenge, y'all ain't gonna need an elite account because we're gonna all be able to use my elite account. For everybody to be spending like $300 to get an elite account just to find out which style, but it's worth it. You make that $300 in first trade with a useful tool like this. Damn. Ones too. You can use them with Finviz. Off the business for more reasons than one. This is a stock scanner or a stock screener. I mean, like I said, don't look at me like yo, just sharing some information. This is a stock screener. It helps us identify what's happening on the market, and we can filters to find out exactly what we want and what we're targeting in order to, you know what I'm saying, get the result. And so the stock I was talking about was ETRM. Let's see what they got to say about ETRM. How ETRM was running. So right now is I'm not using the screener, but I'm just showing you. You can find all the relative information that you're going to find on a finance or whatever. But one thing that's going to be different about a Finviz Elite account is you're going to get real time, even with the pre-market. You're going to get time screening, and that helps you a lot to have the advantage over other people. Now, if we look into my account, how I got my preset set up, scan. You want to scan just as a setup for day trading. It's set up to notice volatility early in the morning. Scan by volume, and it's descending, and with no signal, it's on all stocks. And then right here, say this is what I do every 5 minutes before the bell or 1 or 2 minutes after the bell. Go to today, up 5%. And it's going to I'll never trade on a computer that's this slow, I swear. So somebody asked me about this stock today, and I think they took a risk on it. BIO. And I can't tell people how to do with their money because I ain't got enough knowledge to. I'm not a financial advisor, but I would have told you chasing that. Because I seen the time that he put it on my page, and I bet you if I go to his page and ask him, did he hit something off of it, he didn't hit nothing off of it. And let's look at why. Let's go to intraday on the ticker and see what it did today. Oh, look, this is how cats be getting a wig wounded. You what? All right, look, 10 a.m. All right, the market opened in New York time because it's 6:30, 9:30. It's 6:30 out here, 9:30. So this 9 a.m. right here. So I opened at 9:30. So look how it was right. Y'all see that? I hope y'all can follow my cursor. Let me look and see if y'all can follow my cursor. Hold on. All right, let's see how it's moving. All right. Well, anyway, let me see. I'm sorry I lose track. I don't got to open. All right, if y'all can see, dang, I wonder, can y'all see my cursor? If not, let me see. If you close my damn Gmail. Shit, keep opening that shit. All right. It was moving like this in the pre-market, straight up, steady, right? It got up to about, look over here, it got up to about, what it say, $3.10. Oh, but no, it went all the way up to $3.40. That was just one purchase. And so this is the morning, this is what we call the morning high right here. It's rising in the pre-market. Look, the bell just hit. Right. It went from right here all the way up to here in the morning in the first hour. Everybody will tell you what happened in the first hour, and this is why. This is like the first. Went all the way up to here. It dipped down, caught a little bit of momentum. Then all the people who was chasing it, like, ooh, this stock caught. They bought right around. If y'all can see my cursor, if y'all can't see my cursor, I'm at about 10 a.m. on the red candle. This that starts this downward trend that kept going downtrend for the longest of time all day. Then it recovered back up to like 271 day. Now, what the buy in the morning, you buy. That's all some people do, and you be out of the market by 10 o'clock because all you needed to do was, if you really was on the pre-market game, if I'm hovering over about 9 a.m. Let me check, man. Can y'all see my cursor? It was. Hey, can y'all see my cursor? Yeah, bro might have been chasing, but sometimes I'm hoping people ain't taking trades influenced off nothing I'm putting on. I'm trying to learn in public. But let me show you one where we thought we was chasing and we did it like some bosses. ETRM. Talking about. Then we're gonna go back to a shipping stock that went bananas back in November, and I seen the dude lose his whole family over that stock. And I'm like, man, I felt sorry for the brother. At least on Stock Twits, this is what he was saying. So first of all, before I go to the intraday on TRM, let's go to the monthly. Look at this, bro. Let me see. So no, we can't even do it like that. I'm sorry. Let's go to the weekly. Yeah, look at this. Okay. So how much time they giving us? No, this has got me messed up. Probably what I'm trying to look at. God, this thing did bananas. All right, yeah, there you go. That's enough. This was just the other day. If y'all see this green gaps, all these green gaps, this was the biggest run up the Olic. I mean, just running up. Well, let's look at the 15 minute. All right, let's check it out. Yeah, now look, January 6th. Y'all see January 6th? Then it's gonna gap up. It gapped up on January 6th to about maybe look about 50. Got up, is moving over 10. Bow, it popped up over 10 January 10th. Now, all right, I'm so lame on the market. I wasn't trading this. I would have been posting stuff about trades. But somebody should have caught this already. My partner Pep say he had it since like a few. I don't think somebody's trying to get in the hangout. Let me see. I think they calling me from the hangout. Let me see what that is. Oh, that's Chuck. Let me see. Hold on. I gotta decline that because I'm in another hangout. I'm about to bring you in. Let me see, Charles Johnson. None of these Charles Johnsons look like they know with that. All right, let me see. No, I'm just trying to get to my homeboy in the hangout. I don't know how to do it. Oh, but look, anyway, yeah. So, hey, this is the ET. I said where I'm at. Where was we at? Oh, so I noticed it at about 15 something or something. I'm trying to I'm back to my partner. Hold on one second. Let me send him this hangout link. Let me see. Share. Copy. Let's look at. Facebook. Oh, but look, let me tell you some quick game that I learned. Day trader. It's like this. First, I just got my account. I didn't know what I was doing, right? Oh, and then so I started making my account. I kind of got like trade obsessed. I would make I started off making some horrible trades, and I just bounced back because I had the quick thing. And so I got to a point where I made too many trades, and they put they identified my account as a pattern day trade hand that if you make over 3 day trades in the 5-day period, they're going to identify you as what's called a pattern day trader, require you meet what's called the margin. And they had me meet a margin of $25,000. So on some ego shit, I was like, what? But I really ain't, I can't, who got that to just go start learning how to day trade? And so I rocked out for a minute. It was helping me be more powerful, have more buying power. Because what I learned is once I met that margin, they granted me more buying power. It's like dude, I don't want to, it's like a loan, dude. It's straight, it's called the margin, dude. And so if you put up 25 racks, they're going to put up 75 racks for you with 100. And I'm looking like, what? Oh, hell no. First of all, because they're trying to get you to be owing all that. Stupid. I know how to get it in. So that's how I was able to, be able to buy like $50,000 worth of Tesla stock in order to make a few thousand. Shorten it because you using the margin, so they ain't even using your money. They're not using your money. They borrowing the stock from somebody who got on time, loaning it to you at a certain. This is when you short. So you can take a long. All right, let me see. I'm getting ahead of myself. You can take a long short position. If you got a margin account with a good margin, well, you can margin, you're gonna be able to short some stocks. But in order to be able to short like I was being able to, I had to meet this pattern day trade, and they gave me 3 times the buying power. I was like, man, you can't get a loan that quick. This is why all my homies taking losses. I ain't speaking on nobody, but if you taking right now, you need to holler at your kid. Because look, a 50 rack loss in the, are you crazy? Dude, a 50 rack loss in the stock market was $1 million opportunity. You buy like, all right, the most I probably ever bought was like, yeah, you probably got 50 racks of Tesla, and my stop loss was at like $200. What I look like? That mean, yeah, okay, I'm gonna buy this, but if it moved in the wrong dollars, I'm about, I don't care. I ain't got the money, I can't lose it. And I noticed the trap that they trying to do with the intraday marginal. Oh, see, I be losing my thought. I know the trap that they be trying to do with the intraday marginal is they try to trying to get you into your money, see, because they loan you the stock and you're using their buying power, but all of the difference comes from your, say that I borrowed some stock that it moved against me. I wouldn't owe that whole big ass amount that they loan me because it's their money. I wouldn't owe 50 G, but they gave me back, and you owe the difference that the price moved. And so to Charles. Here you go. And so, I mean, I like shorting stock. Shit. You got to know what you're doing, but I'm a researcher, dude. And I found the way for that to work to my advantage. So why would I? Let me see. Sorry about this, y'all. I'm doing hella shit. Why would I not use that to my? I like staying up all night figuring shit out. So y'all gonna join the challenge? Get ready, do your little research. I'm gonna start handing out hella resources on how to, and I don't even recommend most people day trade to in the competition. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a little bit of day trading. I'm gonna do a little bit of everything, but I'm gonna also hold a nice portfolio and hope that it grows over time. Let me see. I'm trying to get my partner in here, so give a play a second. Copy. Paste. Is that working? All right, that might work. Shit. Then another good one I just ear hustled off of this dude named Meerkat on YouTube. He was talking about how Starbucks had a new CEO and they did all this stuff, and I was like,
oh, you want to end?
There goes Chuck, where you at?
Hey, what's up with it?
What's up with it?
Okay, hold on. I can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
Okay.
I was about to say, can anybody hear me?
Yeah. I just jumped on with your cash for a minute.
It's all good. Just chilling, talking about this thing I'm trying to get popping, the investment challenge. Take a lot of our minds off the nonsense that's going on in the community.
Okay.
You
how long you gonna be on here for a minute?
Yeah, I'll be on here.
Because I'm about to go to this room and then I'm gonna jump back on it.
This is all
good.
I'm
back on it.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So we was talking about FinViz, and I never finished showing how you use FinViz. See, wow. Do FinViz in the morning, and if you make that, bread me out, don't me down. Yeah. Hold on. So let me show y'all the screener again. Now, if you want to, if I say I did want to short something in the morning, say the market ain't bullets going up, bear going down. Bears pull it down, bulls pull it up. That's how that's working, right? So let's just say that it's a bearish market. Then I'm gonna wake up and be like, damn, the Dow down. Oh, the S&P, all this stuff is down. Ain't no everybody taking their money and running. So here and look for it. Let me see if y'all can see the screen first. Yeah, I'm not gonna come on FinViz and search for what's up 5%. Up 5% that day, that might go turn around, everything down. Why would I try to make money off something going up when everything going down? I'm gonna scan what's down. Do to find the big winner is go over here. I ain't gonna show y'all all the secrets, but you'll figure it out. You're gonna want some volatility, right? Because you want the price to move around. So I ain't gonna even go by the week. Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go by. Damn, I thought I was oh well. Or maybe that's with the gap. Now we wanted the gap. We wanted the gap up or down. We wanted the gap down because so something that just dropped down a little bit and maybe it did it in the pre-market. It gapped down 5%. And no, it don't have to be down 5%. Down 3% over the week. And it's down 5% today. Ooh, that's it already did the gap. Those two contradict each other. Hold on. I just said. All right, so let's look at what it is. Now, don't forget, it's scanning this by value so that we know that we're not gonna get stuck in no trade like this right here. See, I'm liking how some stuff is looking already. So this MSTX falling. My partner Pat was telling me about his strategy of buying the biggest loser. He was like, bro, I just find the biggest loser, buy it, and wait a month or two for them to bounce back. Look at that. I'm talking about. Should I? All right, where did it gap down? It's supposedly gap. Was that right here? If y'all can see my cursor, it looked like what they talking about happened at about 230, 245 red bars where it's gapping down right there. But it's a bad time of day for me to be looking at this. See how it started in the morning way up here at about this is weak. Forget this. About 15 cents and went down. But friends ask me how we use the screener to find certain stocks in the morning. This is just how you do it. Before the bell and like 2 minutes after the bell. And then that's what it be. Shit. Then I go to what else I go to? It's one to show a lot of people go to the front page. Straight up. And even if you don't, excuse my language, but even if you don't have a golly, now look at this, man. This can't be true. This have to be some type of reverse split, or this just can't be true. S gained 400% on your money today. Ah, man, this is what happened. Just the beginning, folks. The stock is locked until February. What's going on? I'm trying to figure out what just happened. Oh, excuse me, I'm still alive. See, now I'm chilling. Now I'm getting comfortable. Let me go on the site on YouTube because I can't even see the YouTube if y'all got comments. Yeah, so they're gonna give you extra if you open. That's called a margin account. I'm sorry. So when you open up your brokerage account, you want to open up a margin. They'll give you extra buying power, and you can work with the margin. Some people don't like working with the margin. Some securities are only margin. I don't understand why. I mean, that's what I. Oh shit! I'm over here like, oh shit! I'm about to watch the polite live stream right now. Let me see. All right, now about to go watch the live stream. Have a nice day. Hold on, I'm just playing. Who do you think won the TJ Soto Mayor bag? What y'all think about that? That's good. So now TJ Soto Mayor is cool in the community because we want his views. That's corny, man.
Estate investor?
Nah, I ain't a real estate investor. Seriously though, TJ Sotomayor. All right, I'm about to get up out of here and do another stream talking about something else with my partner. You see? Hold on now. But make sure everybody participate. We're going to get this popping. And if you are an investor who knows a lot more than us, contact Dr. Boyce. I'm telling you to get him in on this challenge. If you are a day trader, swing trader, investor who knows a lot more, especially more than me, I'm learning. So I don't want to pay to get in everybody group to learn. But I pay to get in their morning chat because they tell you exactly what's starting in the morning. They be like, hey, bro, we all on this. And then you'll watch them for a few days thinking they're trying to pump a stock that they want to no, everybody sit there and make money together. And don't nobody care because they're not making money off each other. They just hitting the stock market together. Send information. But yeah, I want to thank everybody who tuned in for a minute. And I'm about to get back in the stream with another topic, talk about the community. Because let me show y'all how I'm doing, in case y'all don't know. You know what I'm saying? I'm in my digital studio. You know what I'm saying? Really, I'm mobile. Show y'all how to get mobilized out here. You feel me? With the diesel engine with not too many miles on it. And I told myself last year, I'm going to ride into the desert, right? I've been working on my RV because I was wondering, how am I going to get money while I'm out doing my thing? But see, you could be on the stock. You got to be able to think. You could be off the grid on the stock market. All right, I'll holler at y'all later. So, hey, yo. Participate in this challenge, though. Investment challenge is going to be one of the best things that happened to the conscious community. And I'm really going to make some money out of it. My $100 account, I wish I could show y'all it right now. My stash account. I'm going to turn that little $500 account into it. All right, so start researching which brokers y'all want to do. Madjai ARCHERS, arrows up. Peace.